Hello guys, welcome to Tech in Telugu. Today we are discussing about the work kind heat transfer for constant pressure process. The constant pressure process and also known as a isobaric process. So here, the, in the name only here, the constant pressure means the pressure is constant at P is equal to P1 is equal to P2. So this is the constant pressure process. So here we can see the PV diagram. The pressure is constant, P1 is equal to P2, but the volume is varying from the V1 to V2. So the volume is changing from the 1 to second state, but the pressure is constant, the P1 is equal to P2. So we know the general gas equation. So that is P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. So the pressure is constant means the P1 and P2 is the cancel. Then we will get the V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So this equation is known as a Charles equation or Charles law. Okay. So now first we should find the work done. So work done is equal to work done. So we know the work done is equal to pressure into volume. So same thing, differential on both sides. So then we will get the dW P into dV. So here the dW is equal to P into dV. Now integrate on both sides. Integration on both sides. So integration. So from 1 to second stage. So integration 1 to 2, 1 dW. So there is nothing but 1 will be there. So same thing, P integration 1 to 2 dV. So why I am taking the P here means the P is constant. So there is no changing in a pressure. So here W 1 to 2 and the pressure, the volume is V2 minus V1. So from the second state to one state, that is V2 minus V1. So work done is equal to P into V2 minus V1. So we know the general gas equation, PV is equal to mRT. The pressure is constant, the volume is varying, PV1 mRT1. So same thing, PV2 mRT2. So now substitute the values here. W1 to 2 mR T2 minus T1. So this is the work done for constant pressure process. So after the completion of work done, then we will go to the internal energy. So we know the internal energy, that is du is equal to mCV into T2 minus T1. So there is no pressure, so the internal energy is constant. The internal energy is same. And same thing, and third one is heat supply. So heat supplied is equal to, we know the equation, Q is equal to, the heat supplied is equal to sum of internal energy plus work done. So heat supplied is equal to sum of internal energy plus work done. So now differential on both sides, then we will get the dq du plus dw. So now what is the dq value? We don't know. And what is the du value? mCV into T2 minus T1 plus, and what is the work done? So mR T2 minus T1. So here the mass is constant and T2 minus T1 are the same. Then I am taking the m T2 minus T1 as a common. Then dq is equal to m into T2 minus T1 taking as a common. Here CV plus R. So we know the Cp minus Cv is equal to R relation. So then Cp is equal to Cv plus R. So now substitute the Cp value here. Then dq is equal to m T2 minus T1 and this value is Cp. So then dq is equal to mcp into T2 minus T1. So this is the heat supplied for constant pressure process. So here we can see the work done. Work done is equal to mr into T2 minus T1, and same thing, the internal energy is same, the du is equal to mcv into T2 minus T1, and heat supplied is equal to mcp into T2 minus T1.